Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I would really super duper appreciate it. Happy Monday to you. It's a low-key day here for me. I missed you guys on Friday, but I just needed to take a day off. Today we are doing a look with the BH Cosmetics Smitten in Switzerland, one of the travel palettes, and it is beautiful. Look how pretty that is. And I bet you'd like to see some swatches. Let's have swatches. Bam! Swatches! That's the whole palette right on my arm. Pretty amazing. Look how, these are very light colored, but look how beautifully they all swatch with no effort whatsoever. This formula is fantastic, and I cannot wait to do a sweet, sweet look for you to show you how great this palette really is. My good friend Jeannie from Unfiltered 50s, she always swears by the BH Cosmetic palettes that have the square pans. Those have the best color formulas that she has discovered, and I have also discovered the same thing. So it's more than a theory, it's fact. Anyway, I'm going to go into the color called Fondue and go into my crease. Ooh, that is beautiful. A little bit more. Blends out so smooth and effortlessly. And I'm really feeling like I want to go into this color called Zurich. And I'm going to use, what kind of delightful brush shall I use? There's so many brushes, I'll use this one to go into Zurich. It's kind of a pale shimmery rose color on the cool side. That is so beautiful. Oh, I love that. Me likey. And then I need to put a shimmer on my lid, and I'm going to go in with my finger into Geneva. Very pretty. It looks so nice. Now I feel like I want to do a little bit of Yodel, this beautiful wine color. That's really pretty. I think we're going to do some liner. Just a real basic look today. I'm going to use the Stila Stay All Day liner. Very nice. Very nice indeed. I'm going to use the Lash Princess mascara. Oh, it feels so pretty. It feels so pretty. I love it. This palette is fantastic. And for my lips, I'm going to go into Maybelline Matte Ink Super Stay into a really delightful pink color, which is number 15, which is called Lover. Ooh. Hello, lover. Hello, lover. Oh my goodness. There we have it. A really great look with a great palette. The BH Cosmetics Smitten in Switzerland. Have a great day or day of choice, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.